Now, I request our mates to accept this token of love and appreciation on behalf of Flywheel Aviation Academy. Miss Merlin Paul.
Come to the front.
She is selected in Jet Airways as a cabin crew. Ms. Shivani Chaudhary in Jet Airways as cabin crew. Ms. Gayatri Thakre in Jet Airways as cabin crew. Ms. Kalyani in NAS Agency. Mr. Sarang Sonwane in Air Arabia. Mr. Vijay Kitankar in Indigo. Mr. Harmeet Singh in Air Asia, Janus Aviation. Ms. Richa Pagote in Indigo as a cabin crew. So now I request our dear mates to please share their experiences and their views.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Merlin Paul. I am the student of Flywheel Aviation Academy, and I am selected by Jet Airways as a cabin crew. It is indeed a great pleasure that I have been honored. I remember the day I came here with my father for the counseling, and that time I was a bit nervous as my mind was not set of what to do. Now I had a dream of becoming something unique and wanted to do something that people would recognize me with my name. Being a cabin crew was my childhood dream. Whenever I traveled, I used to admire the cabin crews, their appearance and personality, which changed my mind completely towards the aviation industry. So 3 cheers to you guys. I sincerely request you guys to imbibe the best of life, to make your parents and teachers to be proud of you. And the Flywheel is the best academy in Nagpur. It's the best academy to make your career. That's it. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Shivani Chaudhary and I got selected in Jet Airways as a cabin crew member. First of all, I would like to thanks to all the faculty member of Flywheel Aviation Academy. I have learned a lot from them, and a big thank you to Nandini ma'am. She trusted on me and allowed me for the interview. Only because of her today I am standing here. And all the best to all of you for your bright future. Believe in yourself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. My name is Gargi Thakre and I am the student of Flywheel Aviation Academy. And I have selected Jet Airways as a cabin crew. And you are sitting over here are lucky to you have taken the admission in this academy, and I hope so. All we will fly one day together. And I wish you a very bright future. So all the best to everyone, and thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Richa Pagote, selected in Indigo as a cabin crew. First of all, thank you everyone who directly and or indirectly supported me in my success. And I would like to share an experience of interview. What happened was, in last round, only 26 of us were shortlisted, and half of them were sent to communication classes and half of them were sent to personality development classes before joining. But we 7 were lucky ones who directly got direct training for Indigo as cabin crew. So because I already had personality development classes and English communication, So guys, believe in yourself and all the best to everyone. Thank you.
This is Sarang Sonwane from Flywheel Academy, and I have got selected in Air Arabia as a ground staff. So I want to share my experience that believe in yourself, be positive with your goals. Thank you very much.
I'm Kalyani and I'm selected for NAS Aviation by group of Air Arabia, and experience was very good. It's all about how you perform well. It's about practical and just keep your communication good, and aviation is the only field where you have taught how to groom, enhance your personality and how to communicate and be effective. So Flywheel Aviation Academy is the best academy I have found till now. So thank you and all the best. Just have patience and work hard for your career. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harmeet Singh and I have been selected in Air Asia as a ground staff. My experience in Flywheel Aviation Academy has been really fluctuating. I've seen many highs and I've seen many lows. People have been very supportive, staff has been very supportive, especially Ashish sir. Ashish sir, I would like to apologize for all the mischievous acts I've done throughout my classes. And also the fact that Neelam sir is not here, he has played a vital role in implementing good things in me. Swati ma'am, I have actually attended a little classes of yours, but it's been very great, and the working environment, the teaching environment you teach us in has been very incredible. And cheers to all the staff. I've received a lot of memos, I've received a lot of scoldings as well, but finally I've been selected and let's see how it goes.
Again, full of oxygen.
Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vivek Itankar. I got selected by Indigo Airlines. First of all, I would like to thank every faculties, including Nandini ma'am, Sunana ma'am, Ashish sir, Neelam sir, Swati ma'am, everyone. Because of them, I got a very bright light to move my steps towards my career. And Flywheel Aviation Academy is the only academy which provide everything to get selected in aviation industry. Like, we keep our mobile cell phones switched off, under drawer, we cut our nails, grooming and everything. This helps a lot. And one more thing I would like to share, that being so serious, instead of being serious, be sincere towards your profession, right? Because in the training, what happens, we just go very casually, don't follow the SOPs. But in aviation industry, when we get enter, we face the passengers, we faces the VVIPs, they just appreciated our works. I got appreciated by Nitin Gadkari 2 days before at Indigo station, and he was like that people who actually follow the SOPs. SOPs means the DGCA BCAS is the thing which is allotted us so many responsibilities that we have to follow that, because we are the one who are supporting, we are helping, and we are responsible to serve the lives of 180 passengers who are flying in the aircraft, right? So these all things we have to follow, we have to be serious, we have to follow everything that is taught by the every faculty of the Flywheel Aviation Academy. And hope you all will be getting selected in most of the airlines. There are many more options, and hope for the best and have a good luck. Thank you.
Thank you all of you for all of your precious words. We wish you all the very best for your success, for your future career and for your future life. Thank you.
And we have a great moment, especially for Flywheel Aviation Academy, all the staff members, and see all these students, your previous batch or the same batch. You have seen all the processes going on here. Okay, there are so many processes going on here, but try to learn something. Each and every step is very, very important here, and especially with the flywheel, this is the only platform you can practice here, and no one is here to laugh on you. But if you do not learn, remember, in future people will laugh on you. So this is the right time, this is the age of education, it is the time to learn something. Try to learn something here. It doesn't matter, you have your own destiny. Okay? But what is in your hand? Try to grab something new, try to improve your personality. Take out your mistakes, eliminate your mistakes. So these are the things you can do here. And the platform we are providing here. Like myself, I am a trainer here, Swati ma'am is here, Sunana ma'am is here, Nandi ma'am is here, Rui ma'am is here. All of us are playing various roles here, but you need to coordinate. See the discipline level here. how you groom. Have you ever thought about the grooming standards like this? Like on a daily basis you are coming here, you are grooming yourself. So we have some strict rules and regulations related to your grooming standards, and the students selected from Flywheel Aviation Academy, they are in the industry, and those who are selected, especially Vivek, he is knowing, and the many students, your seniors also, okay? And you can feel the difference of Flywheel Aviation Academy student. So I wish you all the best, especially for you, because now your enjoyment time is over. Now you need to earn for yourself and to secure your future. For you, you see at the age of 18, 19, and some students are good, but they are under 18. See the condition here. There are so many vacancies. So please prepare yourself, work for your body and mind, like you are using your body and mind to achieve your career. Okay? So I wish you all the best, all the students. Okay. Now I request Swati ma'am to say something.
I am really happy for my students who are already selected and entering into aviation industry. Guys, this is the first step towards your career, and I'm sure right now you're getting exposed to the world since you have just come out of your cocoon, and the world is ready for you, and you have to be ready for the world as well. I believe after 6 months or 7 months or whenever I will see you guys as a different person, completely as a matured person, and I also expect you guys to serve and give your 100% towards your job. Guys, for you, I really wish to see you guys here one day, and I'm sure like all of you have some potentials, and I know that you all are working on yourself. Please work more and push yourself so that you can be here, and there are a lot of opportunities in all over the world. All the best to you, and all the best to you guys. Do well, and I hope you actually come out as a very good employee for your organization and become an asset for your organizations. Thank you.
Thank you.